by gravity. Now, the way it works is that when somebody would pull in to get gas, they wouldn't use it by the dollars like they do now. They would say, well, I want 5 gallons worth of gas. And so you take this handle here and you pump it back and forth this way, which would cause the gas to go up this pipe and start to fill up from the bottom to the top until it gets to 0. Then they take the hose and drain the 5 gallons right to the 5 mark. You now have 5 gallons worth of gas. Next person can come in and want some gas, they pump it back up and deliver as many gallons as they wanted. At the end of the day, there was always gas left in here, so they would simply take it and drain it into this pipe down below here, put a padlock on it, and you're done for the night. That's how it works. So simple. So these things like this, $12,000, $15,000 it was donated.
Wow.
Yeah, they're worth a lot of money.
Because that's an original. Of course, if anybody wants to donate 2 more, I'd take it.
You got room for 2 more.
Yeah, I got the room here. You're all supposed to learn something new that you didn't know before. How would that work? Why is it there though?
So you wanted 25 pounds.
That's right. Remember you wanted to get top of the ice man, you wouldn't have to come in here and ask someone to come go back over their top and bring it back and forth. You can look and see the hot top.
Do you think there's 700 in here before we put this in? There's about 700. So here's 80. I did count that.